prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving.
I just made $6,000 trading gold and Tesla. If you want to know how to make this, subscribe, like the video, leave a comment, and watch the rest of this video, because what I'm gonna tell is gonna be great. I'm gonna show you every step why I took this trades and how I made the 6K in around 3-4 hours. Let's go. Hey, how you guys doing? It's your boy King Cash coming back at you with a new video. And today, I'm sorry if I haven't uploaded a video for the past 3-4 days, but I've been busy grinding and making some nice profit. And today, I'm gonna show you guys how I made 6K just today. And I'm gonna record the video right now and teach you. I'm gonna go through all the trades that I did and what did I do them and how I made the 6K. So please, if you didn't join the Telegram group, it's a free group that the first 50 people will have a lifetime subscription free for the rest of their life on our Discord server coming up next month. I share up all the signals every trade that I do, and people eat with me. So if you want to eat and learn the true way of trading, then subscribe to that channel. So let's get to the charts. So I'm gonna start with gold, and I got on my phone all the trades so I can see and teach you guys what did I do. So first trade I did was I had a gold buy for 5 lots and a gold buy for 2.5 lots, and I entered at 1833.24. So what I did, 1833. Okay, so I entered right here when the market opened. Let me put this here. Okay, session break. I entered 33 right here to 34 with 2 lots, and I made $1,100 and $395. And what I'm doing is basically that I know the trend is we have an upper trend. Okay, we have an upper trend, so every time it drops and it goes up until we reach the bigger resistance at the top of the channel. So if I go to the 4 hours, I'm gonna tell you what basically I did. I start buying every time it drops. Every time it drops, I will buy. And if we move to the 15, my first 2 trades were here at 1246. Okay, so right here 1246 when the market opened, I bought here at 33 all the way to 35. That's 20 pips. Then I bought here again a 2.5 again and a 5 right here at 1833 and 1834 right here. When it passed here, I took another 2 buy here, one here and one here, 33 and 34 all the way to I think I bought 1831, I'm sorry, and 1832 all the way to 34. And I didn't take this one, but I made like another 1,000 plus $1,400. Then then I bought again at 32.5 right here. 32.5 right here. I bought again. I bought here again all the way up here. I made $1,000 and $200. Then I bought at 34 when it dropped here at 34 again, all the way up. So basically, every time it drops, I bought to the next drop. But when it's respecting the line, I bought. Then when I reach here, I sold. I sold how many lots? I sold 2.5, 2.5, 2.5, 2.5, and 5 lots. I made around 1,500, and now it broke the trend line, so it's gonna drop to minimum 34. So basically, let me show you how do I do this strategy. This strategy is very simple. So I analyze gold, and if you don't know how to analyze gold, I already shared my analysis on the group, so come and join. Let's move the session break, and I come here and I see, and I analyze that it's going to an uptrend. We have double bottoms, it's going up, it hit here to 78, it broke, and I analyzed that it's gonna go up. So I went to the group and I told people to, and I'm gonna show you the group right now, Telegram group right here. Let's go to the group, and I told people, wait, before everything happens, see, possible entry for tonight for gold. This is before the market opens, like 6 hours, and I say bought at 29, and your first TP is 1840 and 1844, and here is the trade that I do. So basically what I do, the strategy is the following to make sure you make money. So if my entry was at 29, market opened okay, what time? Okay, right here at 10th. Okay, so market opened, here's 30 right here, 29, and we bought here, and our target was 42. And basically every time it dropped, I bought again, and I closed on top. It dropped, I bought again. It dropped, I bought again. It dropped, I bought again. It's respecting the trend line. Every time it touched it, I bought again. But when it reached here, all the way here on top here at 43 and 42, I took my shorts all the way to 40 and 39, and because it broke the trend here, so I expect it to drop all the way to here. 36. It touched 36 already. It rejected. It might continue all the way up to maximum 50 because I bet we got a huge resistance at 50. But this is how I did it. So basically, you of course that's not the stop loss. I didn't put the stop loss like this. I put it here. So basically, what I do is every time it drops on the 15 minutes, I bought again. Not the small ones, the big ones. When I see 3 like this, it touches, it rejects on the trend line. I bought. Reject all the way up. It went back down. It rejects here. I bought. It rejects here. I bought. It rejects here. I bought. It rejected here. I sold all the way down, and that's how I made 5,000, more than 5,000. I made 6,000. No, 5,800 from gold. Then Tesla, and I love stocks. So Tesla basically, I love how stocks work. I told even my friend if it crossed that line, okay. If you look here. We have a nice trend line here, and I said if it broke the trend line, short it to 62. 62 right here. 1 second. I wanted to share it from here to 62, but the market opened right here. I waited. It broke the 62 area, and it broke this one here. It broke 655. So I took my short at, let me see, 1648. I took it at 48. Wow, I took it down. See, I went from 48 all the way to 46. I took 250 shares here, sold, shorted. I made $500. This is how you scalp like a pro. So basically, it's a scalp swing. So instead of me waiting for starting here and waiting all the way here, no, I will close every time it hits the trend line. I will keep adding all the way up, and that's the fastest and easiest way to make money. I don't have to wait. I don't have to make my mind think about it too much, so I can lose focus and start messing up. So I scalp my trade. So basically, I say I analyze the big analysis for example, from 1830 all the way to 1840. That's 120 pips, and I start every time I start buying. My target is 2.5 pips to 2 pips all the way up. 2 pips. Keep buying. I can hold all of them and make quadruple my profit. But that's not the point. The point is, I target $1,000 every 20 pips for 5 lots, and if it goes minus 500, then I'll get out. So you should have a target. It was easy making this money. It wasn't hard on Java USD. I started from the Asian and UK session and Asian session, and Tesla. I waited for New York session. I just trade Tesla. I've been successful in Tesla every day for the past 2.5 weeks. 100% win rate on Tesla. Java USD, we've been 65-70% win rate, so we have been doing great. Anyways, guys, if you like the video, please leave a like and subscribe, and don't forget to join our Telegram group, link in description. Don't miss out the opportunity for the free lifetime subscription on Discord server coming up to you next month. Wow, that was fast. So when that's what happens, we make 6K one day. That was the biggest I've done before with $3,000. Today I made $6,000 plus $1,000. Screenshot in front of you from the phone. Anyways, it was your boy King Cash coming back at you every time with a new great idea and profits together. Let's share, let's win together, let's cancel the noise and trade safe, and let's see you next time here. Take care. Peace.